Namaste students. Today let's proceed to a new chapter of class 12 biology, that is reproduction, human reproduction, and we'll be mainly going, first of all, we'll be going for male reproductive system. When you go for male reproductive system, there will be primary structure and secondary structure. Primary, which are manned with the reproduction, is the testes. A male has a pair of testes. Testes remain inside the scrotum. Scrotum is a bag or sac, sac-like structure which protect the testes, and it also maintains the temperature of plus minus 2 degrees centigrade. What is that? When it is very hot, the scrotum descends or goes down. Okay, and when it is too cold and temperature becomes very low, in that case what happens? The scrotum moves up or ascends. Why it does so? To give a congenial environment condition to the testes so that it can produce sperm or helps in the formation of sperm. So testes is the main site where the formation of sperm takes place. Now we'll be going step by step how that occurs. So first of all, we'll be going for the diagram of this is the testes. Okay? Testes, it is surrounded by 3 layers. These layers are called tunica. So here I am putting this one with blue. These layers, tunica, together it's called tunical layers. 3 layers are there. The one which is near the testes, it is called albuginea. Blue color that I have given. Next I am giving green color. It is called vasculosa. This is also a tunical layers. It is called vasculosa. It surrounds the albuginea layer. Surrounding the albuginea, there is another layer which I am putting with the help of red color, that is called vaginalis. So together we are finding how many layers? We are finding the occurrence of 3 layers around the testes. These 3 layers are called tunical layers. Helps in protecting the testes from heat shock, as the testis is the main site for the formation of the sperm. First one, that is near the scrotum, red one, that is called what? Tunica vaginalis. Then green one, tunica vasculosa. Then blue one is tunica albuginea. 3 layers it is. Now let's go inside the testes to know details about how a testis look like when it is done or when we go for the transverse section. Here we are finding distinct compartment inside the testis. These compartments are called locules. Okay? Like this. They are compartments. So there is one irregular body here This irregular body is known by name called retitestis. Now, there are around 250 testicular lobules. So, it converges and enters the retitestis like this. Converges and enters where? Retitestis. How many testicular lobules? Generally, 200 to 300. Average, you can take it to be 250 testicular lobules. So it converges like this and enters inside the testicular lobules. So these are the compartments when tests of the testes are done. So these are the compartment we find. So these are called what? Testicular lobules. Okay? Inside the testicular lobule, try to get it now. Inside the testicular lobules, there is the occurrence of seminiferous tube. I am taking one now to make you understand. This is. So inside the testicular lobule is what? Seminiferous tubule. So I will be rubbing this part to make you understand. So this is one testicular lobule. Testicular lobule. Inside the testicular lobule, there is the occurrence of what? There is the occurrence of seminiferous tube. This is what? Upper one is testicular lobules. This one is called seminiferous tubule. There may be one or two seminiferous tubule. So see another thing, I am putting it with blue. In the seminiferous tubule, there is the occurrence of germinal epithelial layer. Can you see it? Blue color. What it is called? Germinal epithelial layer. So this germinal epithelial layer is producing two types of cell. One is called Sertoli cell, S-E-R-T-O-L-I, Sertoli cell. Other is called germ cell. Sertoli cells are the one who give nourishment or nurses the sperms which are formed. The question comes, from where the sperm forms or from where it is produced. Sperms are formed from the germ cell, and it is also a long process by the process of spermatogenesis. But for the time being, we'll keep in mind that the germ cells produces what? Sperms. Okay? Now let's come here. Here what you are finding? From the irregular body retitestis, there is the coming out of small tubes. Okay? These small tubes are known by the name called vasa efferential. Try to get the name. It is called what? Vasa efferential. Okay? Now I am rubbing it. So after that, what happens? It enters in epididymis. So I am drawing it like this here. This one is called epididymis. See the spelling? It's called what? Epididymis. Now we have to go a little bit to whatever we have done earlier. So what is happening now? We are finding the seminiferous tubule has germ cells, produces sperm. Sperm comes out from there and for a small duration of time take rest in this irregular body which I told you to be what? Retitestis. Then from the retitestis it goes out of the testis through vasa efferentia, which is small short tube-like structure, and enters the epididymis. In the epididymis, the maturation of the sperm takes place. The sperm matures. We have to know this epididymis has three parts. This is a head part, this is body, and this part is called the tail. Okay. Now, this epididymis is linked with another. Can you see this one? This one? This part? This another one? This one is called vas deferens. Vas deferens. Now see, vas deferens is the one which will be taking the sperm outside. Now, testis is present in the lower abdomen of a human body. And the vas deferens is also placed there. Now, vas deferens will come out and will be moving to the urinary bladder. So, urinary bladder is placed at the top or little bit higher than that of the testis. So, what happens? The vas deferens ascends, forms a loop around what? Around the urinary bladder. Then through urethra, it goes out. The external genital apparatus or the external genital of the male reproductive system is what? Is the penis. So it comes out to the penis. We have to keep in mind another thing, dear students, that the gland and accessory glands which are associated with it. The accessory glands in this case are seminal vesicle, prostate gland, and bulbourethral gland, which is one pair. Together, it produces seminal fluid. And this seminal fluid has calcium, various types of enzymes, and what? You are finding different types of other materials coming from there. So, what you are finding? Semens, fluids. The sperm has all these things which are now a product coming from this portion, and ultimately it comes out through the penis, to the exterior. Thank you.